How is the year going on? We are almost winding 2023, but before the year ends, hello friends, I've got something interesting for you to watch today. So, welcome to today's video. My name is Jacinta, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. So guys, I'm so much excited. I am so happy. And before we begin, today we're going to talk about threading and dandruff. And please watch till the end. We are on to 4,000 watch hours. Thank you. I don't know if you've watched my previous videos, and please welcome to the other side of a modest. So as you can see guys, it's very late. It's literally almost 10. Today is 29th. I'm hoping this video will go up tomorrow probably, but it's going to be late because I've got a meeting again tomorrow and I'm not feeling well, so lift me up in prayer. But I'm so much grateful to see today. So my hair has been on a ponytail, but we just undo it because tomorrow I need to do cornrows again. It's going to be a very busy day, but why not do this tonight because I don't have time. I really need to stretch this hair. I do have a blow dry. I hope in 2024 we're going to get one. So I'm using amla oil, and I'm just going to use this applicator because I already did a little bit amount. I'm just doing this for clarity, and I'm going to moisturize my hair. And first of all, we are going to do the technique that I usually use, manually doing away of dandruff. It's kinda a very hectic process. It's time consuming. It needs time. You're gonna get your environment dirty, but it is what it is. This is what I usually do if my hair is blown out. A point to note, my hair was blow dried like 3 weeks ago. As you can see, the dandruff are in. So I go in with a small jelly comb or whichever comb you have, and then I do like scratching the dandruff to come out, and then I take my brush and then gently brush them out. Points to note, you need to part your hair into 2 parts so that you can scratch out the dandruff and then use a brush to do away with them. But remember to be gentle because your scalp is very delicate. This still bruise it and cause some damages. You can easily end up having bleeding scalp if you are just careless. I'm very sorry for this video. The lighting was off. I was very tired. I was from a baby shower, and why not, we hate to do this, but please bear with me. The next video we are probably going to start in a bump. In 2024 we're hoping to get a good camera. You're going to get maybe better box lights, I don't know, but whichever it is. So as you can see, I'm repeating again the same procedure, parting my hair into 2 parts and then scratching with the jelly comb, and then brushing out the nitaita aje hizo vitu za dandruff, I don't know, the dandruffs out, brushing them out. I've been using this method since I started my hair journey because this dandruff as a result of the waste from the oils that we've used. And point note, dandruff doesn't make your hair grow, although I am low porosity fuzzy type hair, so, and my hair is low porosity, so that means that I take time to absorb moisture, and when I absorb moisture it stays long. So that explains why these people with low porosity tend to have a lot of dandruff. Know that our hair can grow faster easily. No, dandruff does not make your hair grow at a higher rate. It's just you in any case, hair thrives better when the scalp is pretty clean. That is why I'm doing this, because when these dandruff accumulate in the scalp, they're ending up to come on top of your hair. And how am I going to style my hair? So I'm just showing you guys this method, and please don't get tired. It is the results that I get after this practices are done. I normally do this once in a week if my hair is blown out, and if my hair is not blown out and I see dandruff, I automatically just prepare onion juice at the comfort of my home kitchen cabinet, if that makes sense. So we're just going in here, and I remember I told you guys it's a procedure that takes time, so you should not be in a hurry when doing this. Your hair is very precious, so find time for your own hair. And you remember, before I started doing this practice, I hate to moisturize my hair and my hands, so be gentle on your hair. You guys, if you're not going to love your hair, nobody is going to have your hair. That explains why, if you get a salonist, let them moisturize their hands as they do your hair. You guys, my guys, let them moisturize their hands as they do your hair. You will be cutting a lot of problems that come with hair breakage, hair damage, and anything of this sort. At the end of the day, it's you who's going to lose. So I hate to finish with the other side, and we are on this part. So with this next part again, we're just going to continue with the procedure, and that is it, guys. If you're liking this video, please go ahead and give me thumbs up. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and put your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping and supporting the other side of Amodis this year. Actually, I'm super excited because we're still celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and please watch this video till the very end. Don't forget to share to your friends and family, and that is it, guys. So let us just see what pops or comes up. I'm planning to upload this video in the next few minutes, and I don't know, maybe we'll watch it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, it's 31st, I don't know, but I'm making sure I make a shot for you guys again tonight. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but it has to happen. Things have to happen. If he did it before, he will do it again. His name is Jesus. He's a very great God. If he did it before, he will do it again. His name is Jesus. He's a very great God. If he did it before, he will do it again. His name is Jesus. He's a very great God. And guys, I normally do this until the back of my hair. So I don't know, I'm using a mirror at the front part of it. And as you can see, even at the back, we still have dandruff. So be keen, and I think if you do this practice almost every week, you are going to perfect. So if you are a starter, don't be bothered by the back side. So the guys, we are done, and this is how my hair is now looking like. So the next step is moisturizing, of course, and then we start doing the process of threading. So I just love my hair at this point. It's started shining, but guys, oh my goodness, I just love doing my hair with this method. It is the reason why I love having virgin hair than this one, just because of these processes that I have to go through almost every week. I just love virgin hair because of this one. It's easy to curb dandruff, but with this one, no. But if you like your hair to be blown out, then I'm encouraging you to do this practice and also invest in good oil. So today we are going in with amla oil with a mixture of compact castor oil. We all know that castor oil accelerates our growth, and amla oil accelerates, darkens, kills dandruff, and anything of the sort. So 2024 plan to purchase more hair care products, and in your cabinet, don't forget to get amla and castor. kindly watch my previous videos. I did a video typically on amla. I did a review on the oils that I normally use, and I hope it's going to bless you. So guys, I have all the right part, and the second part I'm oiling. This time round I'm going to oil or moisturize my hair with a different kind of method. As you can see, I am very generous on the oils that I am using, and basically I'm not going to oil the scalp because tomorrow I'm planning to do cornrows. I hope the next video in 2024 will be me having cornrows. And guys, my birthday is on fast, so I'm pretty excited. I can't just wait, and I'm just grateful for 2023. Things have not turned out the way I wanted, but how it is now, I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful to God. So guys, I am parting my hair into two sections. Basically, I want to do African threading, and it's a method that I normally use to stretch my hair. So if you're wondering how do I keep my hair stretched after blown out and I maintain it, I know people ask me how do you maintain your hair. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. So give me a sweet comment. Are you liking this video? Are you not liking it? Are you learning? Are you not learning it? Do you have any questions? Please let's meet in the comment box. Okay guys, so in this first section part, I'm going to take my thread and we begin to do the threading. And as you can see, as I touch my hair, it's not at the base. So make sure you're doing a protective style in form of using this threading as a method of stretching your hair. So basically, I'm not going to tighten my ends because I don't want this style to tamper with my hair structure. Because guys, as you can see, my ends are not super strong. I'm still working on them. I'm still hoping that 2024 will come up well, but regardless of it, let us just work with what we have. If you've got any questions, kindly drop them in the comment box. Or you can follow my social handles, Facebook, Instagram, sheisjacinta. Please check out the description box and get more of the information. So guys, you need to thread your hair until the very end. As you can see, I'm just adding on. Sorry guys, I hate to do this on camera. I don't know where my scissors are, and it's almost 11 p.m. So just understand me, but it's not supposed to be that way. So I'm just plaiting it until the end. As you can see, my hair is going to end at almost 4 inches ahead. So if you're going to do African threading, make sure you are touching every part of your hair. So guys, I've done it in like the last 3 sections, and this is the 4th section. It is just the clarity that this protective style gives me any moment I play it, and I just love my hair this way. What do you think about this video? Please comment down there below. So guys, we are done, and you can see my hair is not over moisturized. It is just normal, and don't mind my purple thread. Guys, bye guys. So what I'm going to do next is to oil a little bit on top, just to keep it moisturized for the next day. So we are done, and here I am just putting everything inside and then prepare to doze off. I think I'll be dozing off in the next 30 minutes because I also need to mask my face. I've got a lot of things to do guys, so please if you see this video up, just show me some love, share, like, comment, just subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Until then, be the love, spread the love. Jesus Christ loves you unconditionally. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the other side of